Hello everybody, welcome back to the Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix fast charging not working on your Motorola Razr 70 Ultra 5G. So first, what you guys want to do is check the cable and a charger for any damage or compatibility. This is one of the most important things. And as you guys can see here, for example, I do have a charging brick. I know for a fact that it's not working and that it is broken. So that's why I do not have the cable plugged in, because I know that this is faulty. So of course, you want to check your charger and a cable if it's compatible with your phone, and if it's not damaged, then we can go over and clean the charging port. So let me just fold the phone. Here we have it at the bottom, and we want to clean it with a non-metallic tool. This is very important because whenever you're not cleaning your charging port, it can get filled up with dust and it can just randomly block the entire connection, or it will charge, but definitely it won't fast charge. Now what are we going to do is we're going to go over and go into the settings. Here in the settings, we swipe down until we see the battery, and here we have charge boost. So if you enable charge boost, then it will be like a fast charging. It is the fast charging. If you had it disabled, then that was the issue from basically the start. And now you can also test another fast charger or an outlet if that also did not help you. And of course, after testing everything out, if it's working or if it's not, if it's still not working, you can update your software to fix any charging glitches. So go back into the settings, leave the battery, and scroll down to system updates. Click check for updates, and it is checking for updates automatically. As you guys can see, I'm on the latest version, but if you guys are not, then I recommend you updating. This is very important so you don't have any old glitches on your device. So that's it for the video. Hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.